Day traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, August 4th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and I'm going to run through them from left to right. 3 pretty good ones. One, didn't follow through, made about a point and a half. In the NASDAQ, from left to right, we got short on the NASDAQ, and that was a short at 55.90. That was at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. That trade went for about 15 points. Target was about 13 and a half points or so. So about 50 ticks to the target. 50 ticks to the target. Again, I called that target before we even got in the trade, and it did go down a little bit more, but 50 ticks to the target. Market came back up, and we got long, and the long was at 55.97 quarter. 55.97 quarter. Told everybody that it was going to be a little bit of a bear. We were able to get 20 ticks plus 20 plus ticks on the trade, but it just proved to be too much to get through this resistance area that we had here. That didn't just follow through. It chopped around, came back up, eventually went through. But 20 ticks max, and it did go higher, but you can never, we were still in the trade at that point. On the crude, we had a pretty cool crude trade. That was at 10:09 Central Standard Time, 49.26. 49.26. Targets here. When the room closed, you see 11 o'clock. That's when we close the room. Everybody has to be flat. And at that point, it never came back to our entry. And the trade went up for about 30 ticks or so. So 20, 30 ticks on that trade in here. And then on the ES, we had a small one. We had a power play short, 24.70.75. Trade made about a point and a half. No follow through. Anybody who was going for a break even would have had, break even, take profits, move our stop down, and no follow through on that one. So up to a point or a break even. And we're going to come back on Monday and do it all over again. I want everybody to have a great weekend, and we will see you guys and gals, traders back next week. Thanks.